Unveiling your inner talent, understanding you're a natural. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard or will certainly come across: you're a natural. This phrase is not just a string of words, but a bundle of encouragement, recognition, and sometimes amazement. Let's unfold what it truly means and how you can use it or respond to it effectively. At its core, "you're a natural" is a phrase of admiration. It's what someone says to you when you're displaying an impressive skill or talent, especially if it seems like you haven't had to work hard to acquire it. It's like saying, "You're naturally good at this. It seems like you were born to do it." This phrase is often used in contexts where skills are being learned or performed, such as playing a musical instrument, engaging in a sport, or even public speaking. You can use "you're a natural" when you want to praise someone genuinely and acknowledge their innate abilities. However, it's important to use it in the right context. When you truly see someone excelling in something with what seems like effortless grace. It's also a great morale booster. For example, if a friend has just given a brilliant piano performance and you know they've just started learning, saying, "You're a natural," can really make their day. While "you're a natural" is generally positive, be mindful of cultural nuances. In some contexts, people might want their hard work and practice to be acknowledged rather than attributing their success to natural talent. It's always a good idea to compliment both the skill and the effort. You might say, "You're a natural at this, and I can also see the hard work you've put in. Great job." If someone says, "You're a natural," to you, they're offering a compliment. A good response is to thank them graciously and perhaps share a bit about your experience or journey. For example, "Thank you. I've always enjoyed this, and I'm glad it shows." This not only accepts the compliment gracefully but also opens up a space for conversation and connection. So, the next time you hear someone say, "You're a natural," remember, it's not just a phrase but a recognition of your innate talent or the talent of someone around you. Use it wisely to uplift and encourage, and when you're on the receiving end, embrace it with gratitude and humility. Hope this video helps you in your journey of learning and communicating in English. Keep practicing, and remember, every step forward is a step towards mastering the language. See you in the next video.